Welcome to ByteSecure. In this video, you'll get a preview of CompTIA Security Plus, one of the most recognized entry-level cybersecurity certifications in the world. This lesson is called Cybersecurity Foundations, and I'll walk you through the core concepts you absolutely must understand before we go any deeper. Even if you're brand new to tech, don't worry. I'm going to keep everything simple, clear, and real-world focused. Cybersecurity is simply the protection of systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. That means protecting your laptop, your phone, your accounts, your banking information, and your personal identity. It's not just for companies or tech experts. It affects everyone. If you use the internet, cybersecurity matters to you. The foundation of all cybersecurity is called the CIA Triad. C stands for confidentiality, keeping information private. I stands for integrity, keeping information accurate, and A stands for availability, making sure information is accessible when needed. Every security decision, tool, and strategy is built around protecting one or more of these three principles. Now let's break down three very important terms: threat, vulnerability, and risk. A threat is anything that can potentially cause harm. A vulnerability is a weakness that can be exploited, and risk is the chance that a threat will successfully exploit a vulnerability. Understanding these three words is critical for both the exam and real-world security. Here's a simple example. A weak password is a vulnerability, a hacker is the threat, and a data breach is the risk, the actual result, if that hacker successfully breaks in. This is why strong passwords and good habits are so important in cybersecurity. There are three main types of security controls you need to know. Preventive controls are meant to stop attacks before they happen, like strong passwords or firewalls. Detective controls are used to identify attacks, such as monitoring and alert systems. Corrective controls are used to fix the damage after an attack has occurred, like restoring from a backup. In a strong system, all three work together. The principle of least privilege means users should only have access to what they absolutely need, no more and no less. This reduces the damage that can happen if an account is compromised. Less access equals less risk. Simple as that. Defense in depth means using multiple layers of protection instead of just one. This can include firewalls, antivirus software, regular updates, multi-factor authentication, and monitoring tools. If one layer fails, another one is there to protect you. Think of it like layers of armor around your data. Quick knowledge check. What does CIA stand for in cybersecurity? The correct answer is B, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If you got that right, great job. These three words are the backbone of everything in security. In the next lesson, I'm going to take you deeper into real-world threats and attacks that hackers are using today. If this was helpful for you, make sure you subscribe to ByteSecure so you don't miss the next part of this Security Plus training. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay secure. I'll see you in the next video.